Welcome back to a new week. My goal for this week was to have that body back onto the frame, and I knew when I said that it was probably not gonna happen. So we're gonna we're gonna lower our expectations here a little bit, and our main goal for this week is to get the new firewall in place so that we're then ready to put in the floor. Are we gonna achieve that? Are we going to be able to do more? I don't know, we'll see. I've already lost it's almost 3 hours here today because of different stuff, but also because my kids wanted to make some Christmas gifts for their mom, my wife. And we came up with the idea to make in some, what is it? I don't know, the sort of trays where you put candles in them. So they have gone ahead and made these hearts that they have hammered here on the floor. And we have here, and this is mom in Swedish. So they made all the decoration, and I have made them into these trays. I don't wanna cut and grind with my kids around. They're only 7 and 9, and I think they're a bit too small for that yet. So I'm definitely gonna teach them how to weld and so on here in the future, but for now I finished them. So I hope they're happy with them. So I feel that was a good thing to spend my time on here this morning. So I've lost some time. So my goal here for today was that I wanted to be done with the cowl, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So yeah, we're just gonna continue where we left off. This is a pain, but we have some pinholes left here that I can see. I'm not sure if you can see them. There's some here. So we're gonna continue with that and eventually work our way to this corner. So let's start here. We're gonna start over here on the worst area on the passenger side. So as you can see, there's this piece going up to here, and then this piece comes over. Fortunately, there was a little bit of a hole here, so we're gonna weld that. Gonna make this lip, then we're gonna make this cover, and then we can finish off some of the smaller pinholes here on this side up to here. Then this whole half is going to be done. Then we can just continue over to that side, which I don't really want to think about right now. So yeah, let's fix this, and then we can continue with other problems. There we have this piece in. So first I made a strip to fix the inner piece, and then I made this cover to fix the cowl, drain, ditch, whatever, I'm not sure what to call it. But yeah, so that's all good. So the only thing left on this half is some pinholes and these things. So I'm just gonna go ahead, fix everything to here, grind it, just to feel that I'm at least done with one half. So I'll do that, then we can start looking to this. So I'm gonna head now and just welded all of the small pinholes, and I've grinded everything. I took a flashlight, I turned the lines down and shined from underside to find all the small holes. And same thing, shining from the upper side and welding through the back. And as I said, grinded everything and did the same thing all over here. So for now, this is all good. And of course, it's definitely thin. It also feels like this is pretty thin metal, thinner than regular sheet metal you find in like the fenders or doors. So it's a bit hard to work with. So anyway, I'm gonna call this good. And before we end here today, we're gonna do some more progress. But the last thing I wanna do is I wanna paint this at least up to where it is rust free now, just to feel that I'm getting some progress and to see some result. And eventually, and also fill in some pinholes and so on. So the next thing is obviously this side. So I'm not really sure where we're gonna start, but I think we're gonna start with this side and then we can move over to the front side. So we have a bunch of pinholes we're gonna look into, and obviously these seams up here. So yeah, I'm not really sure where to start. Maybe we should start by making these pieces and work our way downwards. So I think we're gonna look into that. We got all of this done. I also fixed these small pinholes. So the back half of the cowl here is all done. I am going to grind this just because I can and I think it's gonna look good. But all in all, it's done. So now basically the only thing we have left is the pinholes over here, some small ones over here, but then it's this area. Mainly here, we have some small holes here, but I think we can live with just taking the copper pipe, welding against it, and I think it's gonna be good enough. And obviously we have to make this. And as you can see, it's already almost 4:30 here. And usually I have ended at this point, but my wife picked up the kids here today and I have talked to her and said that there is something I would really like to finish here today. So I am gonna work a bit late here today, and our goal is to have the cowl done, because that feels like the biggest headache right now. And if we have that done, we can come back tomorrow, finish this corner and start looking at getting the firewall in place, and that will just feel good. So our goal here is to make this the cowl rust free. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna start with the pinholes or this. I might cut out this so I get some better access. I'm not really sure. We'll see which way we go about this. Unfortunately, my battery on the phone died, so you didn't get anywhere close the whole thing that I have done here, but that's life sometimes. But yeah, it was too bad. But anyway, I have this corner now all done. I mated it to that piece, so I know that that fits and everything. So now basically our cowl trench here is all done, which is amazing, which means that welding wise we are ready to start putting on that thing and also the inner brace thing. But to be done here for today and be able to just start working tomorrow, I want to grind everything here so that we can put on some paint so that tomorrow we can just continue working with that and everything else. So let's grind everything and paint it. And finally, we got some paint on it, and I'm really happy with our repairs. I would say that this looks unrepaired when I got all the shapes right as it looked original. And yeah, this side is ready to accept the firewall. Obviously, the firewall needs some work. I got a thick coat down here, so if there was a pinhole, I'm really sure that it is going to be covered now. I might do a second cover tomorrow. We'll see. Second coat, I mean. And in here also, I would say that you wouldn't say that it looks obviously repaired, which I like. Obviously, you can see that the metal is very pitted, but also that doesn't really matter. And we have saved approximately $800, and I don't know how long it would have been until we had gotten that part. So we're done with it, and we didn't have to spend the money. It took some time, but who cares? So yeah, I'm really happy what we have achieved here. Tomorrow we can build up that corner. That shouldn't take all that long. And when we're done with that, we can fix these two edges, and then this thing is basically ready to go onto the truck here again. So yeah, we are in a really good spot here. So tomorrow we can continue with that and see where we end up. But for today, we're done here at least. So I hope you enjoyed the video here, and I'll be back to you tomorrow.